Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Evening,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good evening. How was
Good
Christmas?
evening, ma'am.
How was
Good
your
evening,
short
ma'am.
vacation?
Good.
Good. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Did you celebrate Christmas? No?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Savio, how was Christmas at Italy?
yes, ma'am.
How was it?
I cannot hear you.
How was Christmas? How was your Christmas?
No problem.
No problem.
Man, snowing was there today.
Snowy. Okay. Snowfall was there today. Fine. Why are the videos off? Switch it on fast. Yes. So, which chapter are we dealing with?
Ma'am, electricity and circuit.
Electricity and circuits. And what all did we learn in that chapter?
Ma'am, about the electric
Electric
cells.
cell,
Ma'am, then
bat,
about
Then, second thing that we learned was about
ma'am the electric bulb.
the electric.
bulb.
Then,
Ma'am, then ma'am, you gave a homework
homework. Yes. Did you find
ma'am,
out?
you told to find out which of these in the textbook which of these
Bulbs will
connections
glow.
are correct.
Yes.
Ma'am, then you also told to find the uh, negative and
Channels are
positive
to be
poles of
connected.
an electric bulb.
Yes, I remember. And did you find out?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so I'll ask the question once more. Which among the different figures given in figure 12.5 is the correct one? What do you think? Ashish, what do you think? Yes? A, B, C, D, E, and F. Among them, which one is the correct one? Or which connection will allow the bulb to glow? No idea? Smriti,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Risha, what is your opinion?
Ma'am, are you asking me?
Yeah, which connection will allow the bulb to glow? It's evident from the picture, I think.
Ma'am,
F. And what about A? In the picture, is it glowing or not? Just see.
it is glowing.
It is glowing. So it has to be A and F. Okay. And
Yes,
for your
ma'am.
information, I have to tell you something. For some bulbs, when we consider the electric cell along with it, for some bulbs, the positive has to be connected to the positive of the cell. For some. Okay. And there are some other bulbs which allow any form of connection. That is, if we connect from positive to positive, positive to negative, it will be fine. It will glow. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, with that, the basic connection thing is over. Now we move on to the electric circuit. Okay. Next section is electric circuit. The topic
Excuse
that,
me, ma'am.
yes, Smriti.
Ma'am, can you just say which one is the positive pole of the bulb?
Positive one of the bulb.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we have underlined that in the textbook itself. Just see.
Ma'am, in which paragraph?
117. We have figure 12.3, isn't it?
Ma'am, figure 12
Point
point.
3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, on the left part we have
Okay, ma'am.
the base of the bulb and the metal tip of the base are the two terminals of the bulb. See that?
Ma'am, there is no nothing here.
Ma'am, can you say which one is the positive terminal?
Yes, we underline that also, no? Just check, just check. Yes, electric cell. Sorry, the electric circuit. Today we are going to study about the electric circuit. I know you all know about the electric circuit, isn't it? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
it's a common thing. Yes, Ananda Krishnan is an expert in making circuits. Yes. So, what is a circuit or what is an electric circuit? Please switch on your videos fast, everyone. After Christmas, what happened? All the videos are off. Switch it on fast. Namaste, Anna, Nihal, Emil, Ayush, Ayan, Francis, Kanishk. Switch on your videos. Yes. Okay, what is an electric circuit? Tell me.
Ma'am, when an electric cell is connected to bulb or anything like that, when it is connected, when the electric power when it flows from passes through to the bulb,
Hmm.
that connection is called electric
Electric
circuit.
circuit. Okay, just write down this definition. An electric circuit. And the Krishnan, the answer is right. Okay. An
Yes, ma'am.
electric circuit is a path. Is a path. 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 An electric circuit is a path along which electricity can flow.
Ma'am, can you please
Flow,
repeat
flow.
once again?
Yes, I'll repeat. Electricity can flow. An electric circuit, I'm repeating it once more. An electric circuit is a path along which electricity can flow. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Nihal, can you read the
Yes, ma'am.
definition? Nihal, can you read that definition? Where is Nihal? Vanished? Altina, can you read that definition?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
An electric circuit is a path along which electricity can flow.
Electricity can flow. So it is any path through which an electric current or electricity can pass through or it can flow. Okay, that connection is known as an electric circuit. Now take page number 119. Okay, Devika, start reading.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, from the beginning, right?
Yes, an electric circuit.
Okay, ma'am. In activity 2, you connected one terminal of the electric cell to the other terminal through wires passing to and from the electric bulb.
Yes.
Note that in the arrangement shown in figure 12.5 A and F, the two terminals of the electric cell were connected to two terminals of the bulb.
Mm.
Such an arrangement is an example of an electric circuit.
Mm.
The electric circuit provides a complete path for electricity to pass,
Mm.
current to flow
Mm.
between the two terminals of the electric cell. The
Underline that. Underline that.
The bulb glows only when the current flows through the circuit.
Okay.
In an
Underline that
electric
sentence. The
in
electric circuit provides a complete path for electricity to pass, that is the current to flow, between the two terminals of the electric cell. The bulb glows only when current flows through the circuit. Current flows through the circuit. Okay.
in an
Just a minute, Devika.
okay, ma'am.
Yes. In the previous activity, we connected so many things, isn't it? And do you think that was a circuit?
Yes.
Yes. And what were the components of the circuit?
Ma'am, the wires,
Wires,
the an electric cell and a bulb
electric cell,
and a bulb.
and a
Bulb.
bulb. Okay. And yes. What other components can be added to that electric circuit?
Uh, more one or more electric cells can be
Electric
added.
cells. So that becomes a
More efficient circuit.
one or more electric, two or more electric cells together connected together. That
Oh,
becomes a
battery,
And
battery. It becomes a
battery.
battery.
yes. Then what else can be added to the electric circuit?
Um,
Hmm. Aaron, tell me what else can be added to the electric circuit? Yes.
ma'am, when more batteries are added, we can add more bulbs also.
More bulbs also. Yes. Then
Then,
anything else?
no, yes.
No.
No, ma'am.
That's all. Okay, fine. Can we add something to allow the current to pass through, and after that, when we finish using it, can we stop?
Switch.
Yes, we can add a switch also to the electric circuit, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So
This
you can connect the wires to all the electronic things and then make a bigger circuit also if you want. Have you heard about resistors and all?
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
One carry resistor
Huh.
like that. For
Like that.
LED
Yes.
bulbs and all, one carry
Yes,
resistor.
yes, yes. So we can add as many elements as possible and then allow the current or the electricity to pass through.
Ma'am,
So
but these bulbs don't need resistors, right?
yes, yes, they don't need resistors. This is a very simple circuit.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
it.
Ma'am, I meant that if a bulb needs only like less quantity of power than
Power.
the electric
Yes,
cell, then only we need to use the resistor, right?
yes. So the next, yes, Devika, continue.
In an electric circuit, the
Hmm.
direction of a current is taken to be from the positive to the negative terminal of the electric cell
Hmm.
as shown in the figure 12.6.
Yes.
When the terminals of the bulb are connected with that of the electric cell by wires, the
Hmm.
current passes through the filament of the bulb.
Hmm.
This makes the bulb glow.
Yes.
Sometimes
Just
an
a minute.
electric
Just a
bulb,
minute.
yes,
Yes. So what is the direction of the flow of electricity in the circuit? He just read
Ma'am,
now.
ma'am,
Now,
can you repeat?
what is the direction of the flow of current or flow of electricity
positive to
through
the
a
negative
circuit?
Ma'am,
terminal,
positive to the
positive to
negative
the negative
terminal of the
terminal of
electric
the
cell.
electric cell.
Positive to negative terminal of the electric cell. Mark that and keep. That's very important. Um, Anna, read that paragraph once more. In an electric circuit,
In an electric circuit, the direction of current
Mm.
is taken to be formed from the positive to the negative terminal of the electric cells
Yes, underline
as
that.
shown in figure 12.6.
Yes, from the positive to negative terminal of the electric cell. So when you connect, if that is a connection similar to the one shown in figure 12.6, then what happens? The electricity flows from the positive terminal of the electric cell to the which terminal?
Negative
Negative.
terminal of
Negative
the electric cell.
terminal of the electric cell. Okay. See the arrows, the black arrows? That is the direction of the flow of electric current. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Who will
When
continue?
the
Harriet? Yes, Anna, thank you. Harriet, can you continue?
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sometimes an electric bulb does not glow even if it is connected to the cell.
Hmm.
This may happen if the bulb has fused.
Hmm.
Look at a fused bulb carefully. Is the filament inside it intact?
Okay, just a minute. Harriet, just a minute. Okay. Now another situation where the bulb is not glowing. You have connected it or you have put it in a circuit and imagine that the bulb is not glowing. What might be the reasons for that?
Fuse.
One might be the bulb is fused. We commonly say, no, the bulb
Yes,
is
ma'am.
fused. Yes. Another reason.
Ma'am, the cell may have some problems.
Cell may have some problems. Cell may have used, maybe
Ma'am,
the chemicals
then
inside it are used up.
yes, ma'am. Then
Yes.
other option is that the wires are these are connected with the wires, right? If
Yes.
the wire inside the cover, if it is break down, it will not work.
Yes.
So like
The
that.
wires are broken, then it will not work. Then,
Ma'am, if there is any like what do we say, like if there are any problems inside the, like if the filament is broken or like twisted in the wrong way or something like that.
okay,
So that's
problem with
called
the
a
filament.
fuse.
Yes,
Ma'am,
that is
if
called a
the
fuse. Okay, then what might be the other problems?
Ma'am, maybe if the flow of the current is wrong due to the like the way the wire is connected to them.
Connected. Okay, the wrong connections. Wrong connections can be a problem. Okay, imagine this happens at your home in one of the bulbs at your home. What might be the reasons for that? Now we
uh,
discuss about our circuit, isn't it?
Ma'am,
once it will be fused.
Fused, yes, same.
sometimes the battery inside the electric cell is what do we say? Yeah, it
Yeah,
is.
chemicals are used up that we already discussed. Then one common reason what happens?
If electricity is not there,
Electricity is not there. That is power failure might be
ma'am.
there. So it will not, of course, it will not glow. Then any other reasons? That's it. Okay, Geetika, continue.
Okay, ma'am. An electric bulb may fuse due to many reasons.
Mm,
One reason for a bulb to fuse is a break in its filament.
mm.
A break in the filament of an electric bulb means a break in the path of the current between the terminals of the electric cell.
Yes, underline that.
Therefore,
From one reason of for a bulb to fuse a break in its filament. From there, underline till the point she read. A break in the filament of an electric bulb means a break in the path of the current between the terminals of the electric cell. Okay, continue.
therefore, a fuse as no current passes through its filament. Can you explain why the bulb did not glow when we tried to do so with the arrangement shown in figures 12.5, B, C, D,
And
and E?
yes, now come back to our figure 12.5. Yes. Why didn't the bulbs glow in B, C, D, and E?
Ma'am, because the path through which the current flows is not correct. Like
Not
in B, it is the wire is not connected properly.
connected.
There
And
is a
E,
ma'am in C also the same reason. The
same reason.
wire is cut.
Yes. Aaron, what happened in D?
And both wires are connected to the same.
Same terminal of the cell. Yes, correct. Then Emil, what happened in D? I mean, sorry, E.
And both wires
Hmm?
are different, ma'am. One is connected.
Hmm.
No, ma'am, connected.
What happened?
Ma'am,
Emil,
connect.
your voice is not clear. Yeah, just a minute. Another question. He's stuck. Okay, another question. Tell.
Ma'am, the same wire is connected to the positive and negative of the bulb. No, the
Yes.
both terminals of the bulb.
Yes, both the terminals of the bulb is connected to the positive terminal of the cell, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everybody agree, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is the problem there. So that is why the bulb is not glowing. Figure B, C, D, and E. Understood? The circuit is not complete there. Circuit is broken somehow. So the electricity won't be able to pass through the complete circuit. Understood? That is why the bulb is not glowing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Like, ma'am, in figure C, like, it passes from the positive terminal, and there's a there is a damage in the wire that goes from the positive terminal of the electric cell.
Hmm.
Ma'am, so in B, like, the damage is in the wire that goes through the negatives. The negative point terminal of the electric cell, right?
In
I didn't
B,
understand your
ma'am.
question. Can you ask once more?
Ma'am, in C, like the damage is in the wire that goes from the positive terminal of the electric cell.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, so like the electricity can't flow through the wire.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in B, the damage is in the terminal that goes from the negative point of the electric cell. Ma'am, so electricity can.
Yeah, not exactly. Actually, what happens in B is the electricity has it's not flowing actually. When you connect it only, it will flow. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So the wire is starting. You can if you connect it, that is the small gap in between. You see the small gap in between. If you
Yes,
connect
ma'am.
that, then the electricity will flow from the positive terminal of the cell to the negative terminal.
Ma'am, so electricity won't flow until both the terminals are connected?
No, no, no. If electricity flows, then the bulb has to glow, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because the positive and negative terminal of the bulb is already connected in B,
Okay,
but
ma'am.
it's not connected to the cell.
Yes, ma'am.
The chemicals inside the cell only gives off the electricity, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is why this happens.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
bulb is not glowing. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
And in C also what happens is there is a wire coming from the positive terminal, and then the rest of the part is connected to the rest of the part of the circuit is connected to the negative terminal. If we join that connection, then the electricity will flow from positive to negative terminal of the electric circuit. I mean electric cell.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, did you understand what an electric circuit is basically?
Yes,
Yep.
ma'am.
It is a basic path which has many components like the electric bulb, the electric cell, the wires, and all such things. And then it allows, the most important part of the definition is this, it allows what to pass through?
Electricity to flow.
Electricity. It allows electricity to pass through or electricity to flow. And one reason why the bulb might not glow even if it is connected in a circuit. What is the reason?
The filament is broken.
Yes, the
Ma'am, if
filament,
the filament
filament
is
is
broken.
broken and we say that the
Fuse.
bulb is fused.
Fuse.
Okay. Another question. Which part of the bulb gives off light?
Ma'am, the filament.
Filament.
The filament. Okay, correct. So if the filament is broken, will it glow?
No, ma'am.
No.
No,
If the
ma'am.
filament is broken, what do we call that bulb? The bulb is
Broken.
bulb is
Ma'am, broken.
Fused.
fused. The bulb is fused. Okay, understood till that much.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now we have one more activity. Yes, activity 3. That will continue in the next class. Just a minute. Okay, shall I take the attendance?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aaron,
Present, ma'am.
Abhinav.
Ma'am.
Switch on your videos at least now. Abhyuday.
Present, ma'am.
Where is
Present,
Abhyuday?
ma'am.
Okay, okay, yes. Altina,
Present, ma'am.
Ameya,
I'm absent.
absent. Amita,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Then Ananya Jinto,
Present, ma'am.
Ananda Krishnan. Where is Ananda Krishnan? He left.
He was there, right?
Ananya K. Vijesh, absent. Anna,
Present, ma'am.
Anthony, absent. Arjun Krishna, absent. Ashish,
Present, ma'am.
Atuleyel, absent. Ayan,
Present, ma'am.
present. Ayush,
Present, ma'am.
Devaganga, absent. Then Devika, Namasya,
Present, ma'am.
Emil,
Present, ma'am.
Francis, Geetika,
Present, ma'am.
Harriet,
Present, ma'am.
Haya, Marim, absent.
Ma'am, Francis is present.
Okay. Ismail,
Present, ma'am.
Kanish, Malavika, absent.
Present, ma'am.
Where is Malavika? Okay. Then Nihal, Sanaika, absent. Savio, Sian Fatima,
Present, ma'am.
yes. Smriti, Shravana, Srirudra, Vinayak Aryan, Vinayak, absent. Risa. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.